Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Toyota CHR. And that engine is running great, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have LED headlight surrounds, fog lights, alloy wheels. And it does have great ground clearance. I love that about this model. A spare tire under there, and see it does have a black leather interior. This is the limited edition. Just have the turn signals in the mirrors. So it does have a very sporty pattern in the seats. Like the handles are located where they are. There's the VIN right there, and I will upload some still photos as well. All right, as you hop inside, you'll see that it has 29,328 miles in this vehicle. Here's your stereo controls, your push to talk, your cruise control and trip computer toggles. If you come over here, you got your push button start, heated front seats, and then you have your other comfort controls right here. And then you have a cup holder there and a cup holder back here. And the key fob, park brake, and your shifter. As you come up here, as we come to our menu, you'll be able to see your audio selections. There's AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you can contact Toyota and add your navigation app. Then here are your other additional loaded apps. And if you wanted to see the backup camera, there's the backup camera right there. Okay, and as you come up, you got your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Toyota on the interior. These are ridiculously comfortable seats, by the way. All right. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up here on the front passenger quarter panel. The airbags do not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.